Azoospermia is a condition where there are no sperms or absent sperm in your semen sample, and the condition seems devastating to the couple with totally no hope for pregnancy. But with the procedure of TESA, that is testicular sperm extraction, we can extract the semen from your testes and inject into the eggs of the female partner with the technology of intracytoplasmic injection with a very good success rate.
Vice Chancellor ke Sekolah North Eastern Hill University, Professor PS Shukla, kentat ban priang ya ke jingdawa ki kenhuan ka Joint Action Committee jong ke NEHU. Ban wengkam mardor Rohit Prasad, ubade unong tray Technical Officer neu Senior Consultant ha ke Sekolah NEHU. Ha ke sautrik nawiang arhajar arpulai Vice Chancellor ulawan mune kendo bat kilat pathai kubor Hashlong Press Club. Ban Pynshai lor ke jing Thungkam Rohit Prasad bat kedoru bakum Vice Chancellor unomla ban wengkam Rohit Prasad candadan kanu kedau kubiang. Katkum ke jingkam jong Vice Chancellor kalong ba ke jing Thungkam Rohit Prasad kalong katkum kariti terekam jong Sekolah NEHU. Baru lo angru ba ke jing dawa ban wengkam kumbala dawa de kikenhuan kalong ke baklem nongrim. Belak ban kedau hang ni bagi Joint Action Committee ke Bakentup ya ke North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association, ke North Eastern Hill University Non-Teaching Staff Association, bat ke North Eastern Hill University Students Union. Kila penpa ke jing persya ke bajur halor ke jing Thungkam Rohit Prasad kubu consultant ke School of Technology ha ke Sekolah NEHU. Bat dawa bade ban wengkam no mardor yau.
Organization commonly known as the NEHU, or you can say the joint organization of the JC, again even make a group and started shouting against the Vice Chancellor. Ki Vice Chancellor already appointed Mr. Rohit Prasad in very wrong manner without any advertisement and other things. I would like to show that all of you are, this is the act of the university. I am just going to read the lines of the act. I am not going to mention anything other than the act. In the act, page number 9, the Vice Chancellor. The first point, the Vice Chancellor shall be appointed by the visitor in such manner as may be prescribed by the statutes, already done. Second point, the Vice Chancellor shall be the principal, executive and academic officer of the university and shall exercise general supervision and control over the affairs of the university and give effect to the decision of all the authorities of the university. And third, that is very important point, the Vice Chancellor may, if he is of opinion that immediate action is necessary on any matter, exercise any powers conferred on any authority of the university by or under this act and shall report to such authority the action taken by him on such matter. Under this, after the implementation of the new education policy, some person is required to look the new initiatives. But without new initiative, there is no meaning of the new education policy. Started the recruiting of the new faculty members. In between, under the power of the Vice Chancellor, put the agenda in the Executive Council. This is the agenda. And taken the approval from the Executive Council. And Executive Council clearly given the approval. The committee apprised the council that senior consultant technical officer with IT background, clearly mentioned here, IT background is required in the office of the Vice Chancellor and may be engaged on contractual basis with the payment of monthly remuneration below or less than 1 lakh rupees. I had taken approval from the Executive Council. After that, even discussed my some friend, Mr. Rohit Prasad, before joining the North Eastern Hill University. He was the technical advisor of Director IIT Roorkee. I think all of you are well aware about the position of the director of the जो है Roorkee, and you can also assume that the work has been already done by the Rohit Prasad with their director. That's why on the contractual basis, Vice Chancellor appointed Rohit as a technical advisor. He just JC is stating that Vice Chancellor of the NEHU is violating the rules, regulation, and that's why I came here with the book. All the papers are here. Maybe again with the help of the deans of the schools, even constituted also a committee of the deans try to discuss with the JC and find out the solution. And hopefully in the coming days, I hope they are also teacher and may be ready to discuss with the questions. Or conduction of the examination, our students will be the sufferer. That's why I am not in favor of any organization who is opposing the academic council. As you already know, which is already 31st. Head on the 31st of the October. Again, I'm always ready to discuss anything. I don't have any kind of pitch to discuss to anyone. But if they are going to raise or fix any kind of the compulsion, if you are not going to do this, I'm not going to discuss with you. This should not be, conversation should be the continue between the administrator and any organization.